tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I miss you.
So this is like a cow ranch slash farm, and there's like an eatery on site that sells freshly made milk, cheese, yogurt, ice cream, and everything is made like right in front of you. So I'm expecting to have the freshest, most tastiest, creamiest milk in my entire life, and cheese and yogurt and ice cream. Cave de fromage. I speak a little French and I know fromage means cheese. So this must be the cheese factory where they make the cheese. Oh wow, guys. Milk, fresh, cheese. I think the cows are resting now, so they're not wandering on the fields. But this is where I would have expected to see them. We can check them out later. I think the lunchtime should be soon. It's about 10:40 right now, so I'm guessing lunch for them would be 11 or 12. Like humans. Or technically, lunchtime for them is probably 24/7 because I always see them eating. Not now though. Fresh farm air with a tinge of manure. There's nothing up here. Don't waste your breath. There's nothing. No cows. All that space, and the cow decides to hang out in there. It's one cow, one dairy cow that I've seen all day. Don't know where the rest are. I'm gonna get the soft cream, the milk, yogurt, and a raclette cheese on toast. And I cannot finish a stick of butter, so I probably won't buy that. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Let's head inside. Ooh. I've got here some milk, the thicker one's yogurt, and this is soft cream. I'm gonna try the milk first. Hokkaido milk, freshly made. Tastes like Australian milk. I was expecting it to be richer and creamier, sweeter, but it's still really good milk. Australian milk is good, so it's a good comparison, but I was expecting something more magical. But I like it. I love milk. I was very thirsty, so I was thirsting for a cup of milk. Right, let's go with this soft cream. Milky, not vanilla, like milky, but it's not the same kind of creaminess that Crimea has. I would say it's lighter. It tastes more like fresh milk with some sweetness to it. Way better than your McDonald's soft serve, obviously. Let's try this yogurt. Yogurt in a cup. That's yogurt, alright. It's got that sourness that yogurt has. It's like a yogurt drink, that's what it is. It's like a very thick texture. It does not taste like Yakult, if you're wondering. It straight up tastes like a normal plain yogurt with no flavouring. But it's good, I like it. Raclette cheese toast. Am I saying it right, raclette? Look at all that oil on top of it. Oh, that's gonna be very cheesy. Eco-friendly wooden fork. It's gonna be messy. You ready for a cheese pull? Ooh. Oh my lord. That looks good. Holy cow. Holy cow. Yeah, holy cow. That's delicious. This is the best thing so far. I don't know what cheese this is, but it's got the same stringy pullness as a mozzarella. And the flavour is really mild and nutty, very easy to eat. Mildly stinky, and the bread itself is like thick and fluffy and lightly toasted, so it's still a little crisp on the outside. It's like more on the sweeter side. Should definitely get this when you come here. But try anything and everything anyway. Ooh. How dare he? How dare he? Oh, that was rude. I did not need to see that. Oh my god. The cow's butthole is sticking in my face. Right there. Oh. Whoa, I don't think I've ever seen a cow this up front and close. Look at the butt. It's like all the way up there. It's interesting. I didn't expect the butt to be that high. Right where the spine is. Oh, I guess the same is true for us. It's just that we're walking 2 legs instead of 4. That makes sense. Makes more sense now. Where are they going? Oh my god, can we get closer? Wow. It is summer in Japan now, which means it's melon season. So let's go get some melons. They sell a lot of fresh melons here. We've got the red variety and the green variety, and a lot of melon flavored sweets, including melon pan and milkshakes and ice cream and biscuits. We've got red melon smoothie, green melon soft serve, and a whole ass slice of melon. This costs about 800 yen, which is like $8 AUD for a slice of the fruit. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like the Melona bars, the green Melona bars that you get in the Korean grocery stores, and Woolies. Woolies has them as well. I'll take a photo of it and then I'll dig in. It's so windy though, it's melting the ice cream. Oh my god. It tastes like a very creamy version of Melona bar. Oh my god, I feel disgusting. Look at my hands. But it's good. Very creamy. No, it's got like a milkiness to it. That's where the creaminess is coming from. Very milky melon flavour. I need some tissues. I'm gonna get some tissues. Be right back. Well, that soft serve melted way too fast, but it was really, really nice. Next up, we have the fresh melon. Look, we're matchy-matchy, our outfits. Orange. Let's give this a go. Oh. Very juicy. Wow. I think this is sweeter than the soft serve. You know how normally you eat something sweet and then you eat fruit and the fruit is like really sour, it tastes like nothing because that thing was like too sweet, like a lolly or something? Not for this. I think it's the opposite actually. Very good melon, very juicy. I'm gonna go for another piece. You bite into it and all the juice just gushes in their mouth. Next up, got this shake, melon shake. Tastes kind of weird to be honest. It's like, you know how you left ice cream in the freezer for too long? It's got a bit of that flavour to it. It's not that great. I wouldn't get this. I'm full of sugar now, but let's end with a sweet melon bun. It's a green melon bun. Ooh. I'm gonna bite right into it. It reminds me of those pepperoni buns, you know, the coffee flavor with the butter inside, except it's melon flavor. The center, it's like a custard, sweet custard, but melon flavored, green melon flavored. It's very airy, not bad. But right now, I've eaten so much sugar that I'm quite sick of sweet things. But on a normal day, I think I really enjoy this. Ta-da! Shirogane Blue Pond. Shirogane. I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to spell it. Something to do with volcanoes. I don't remember. I think it's like a man-made pond actually that was used to protect runoff from the volcano. It's like you see a poster or something and you really want to go, like the Opera House in Sydney. You go there, you see it, like, nice. And 30 seconds later, you're done. That's what this is. Do you regret it? No, but you know, I knew it's going to be like this. Look at this bad boy. Get a close-up shot. Come on. It won't get close to you. Don't worry. It's a dragonfly. A red one. Wow. Should have grabbed it by the tail. Pretty boy. I'm assuming it's a boy because it doesn't have a big butt.